is Adrian, and I'm with Physical Graffiti, Sedona, Arizona. Today we're just gonna do something for fun. Today we're gonna work on making a walking stick. May sound kind of weird, but I always have fun doing that. It was a couple years ago. We had a tree that had fallen over in a weird snowstorm that rarely happens around here, but it was a really bad snowstorm. I think it was like 2 or 3 feet of snow, and it was in March. It was so heavy that it knocked the tree over and knocked it over to our neighbor's fence. So we had to clear all that away, and what I did is I saved some of the branches from that. So they're really good and seasoned, and I found one I thought that we could use for this project. So I'm going to do that today. Hopefully you can stay tuned, and we'll try to keep it short. And yeah, thanks for watching. All right, here's the piece of wood we're going to use. It's got kind of a nice shape to it. I used to find beautiful pieces like this on the East Coast of oak. I actually have a couple leaning against the wall in the house, but I like to look for this kind of shape. A nice big branch still connected to it, you know, trunk connected to it. So we'll get started.